Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a look at VPN Unlimited, found at www.vpnunlimitedapp.com. This VPN service boasts a wide range of features designed to enhance your online privacy and security. From their website, we can see they emphasize secure, unencrypted connections, allowing you to browse the internet with confidence knowing your data is protected. They highlight the ability to bypass geographical restrictions, opening up access to content from around the world. This is particularly useful for streaming services or websites that may be blocked in your region. VPN Unlimited appears to offer apps for a variety of devices, ensuring you can maintain your privacy whether you're on your desktop, laptop, smartphone, or tablet. Furthermore, they seem to promote fast connection speeds, so you shouldn't experience significant slowdowns while using their VPN. The website likely details their server locations across the globe, giving users a wide selection to choose from for optimal performance. It's also probable that they offer different subscription plans to cater to various needs and budgets. Looking deeper into their offerings, they may advertise features like a kill switch, which cuts your internet connection if the VPN drops, ensuring your data remains protected. They might also offer dedicated IP addresses for added privacy and potentially even a no-logs policy, meaning they don't track your online activity. For those concerned about security, VPN Unlimited likely utilizes strong encryption protocols to safeguard your data from prying eyes. Visiting their website will provide you with a more in-depth look at their features, pricing, and server locations. It's always a good idea to do your own research before committing to a VPN service, so be sure to explore their offerings and compare them to other providers on the market to find the best fit for your individual needs. You might also find user reviews and testimonials helpful in making your decision. VPN Unlimited may offer a free trial or money-back guarantee, allowing you to test the service before committing to a long-term subscription. Be sure to check their website for the most up-to-date information and take advantage of any available offers.